Tacos Dorado con papa. Mmm. Bro, how good is that? I'm not even talking. Mm-hmm. Damn, look at your mouth. It's like you stuck your whole face in that taco, bro. Today we're making a wonderful dish, tacos dorado con papa. So Jack, you can take those tacos and shove them up your... So yeah, sorry Jack, it's over. Ever since I was introduced to these tacos, real Mexican tacos, tacos dorado con papa with potatoes, I don't go to Jack anymore. Remember, dude, I used to go to Jack back in the days. I remember, well, not too far back in the days, but I used to go and tacos were 3 for 99 cents. I had 15 tacos one time. I think that was my record for Jack in the Box tacos. How many have you had?
Maybe 6.
That's it? You're lying. You're lying because you're lying. You're lying. You're lying.
Let me. You asked me a question.
Okay. Damn, you're so mad.
Dude, it's like super loud. I eat it with curly fries. So it was
tacos and curly fries.
Yeah.
You're so whitewashed.
The ranch. Come on, bro.
All right, guys. So today we're making tacos dorado con papa, which means with potato. It's just like the Jack in the Box tacos. What we have is some onions and some jalapeno that's going to go inside the potato, okay? And as far as the outside, what we're going to top it with is going to be your tomatoes, your cilantro, your lettuce, and then also we're going to top it off with a little bit of onion. And the main secret ingredient to this is going to be salsa macha. You can use the tomato sauce that you make from scratch. This is a sauce that I make, salsa macha, which is the chili oil, and that's going to be drizzled on top. And it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. So, did I just say phenomenal?
I don't know what you said.
I think I said phenomenal. All right, guys, so let's get started. All right, so for this recipe, I used 6 Yukon Gold big potatoes that I peeled, I boiled, and now they're fork tender and they're ready to go.
Did you chop them up into smaller cubes?
Yes, they're chopped up into smaller cubes. Thank you.
You're going to forget something.
Always.
Always.
All right, my brother talks too much. He says I talk too much, but he talks too much. Let's get started. Now, these are cut up fork tender potatoes. Take them out of the water, obviously. All right, so now we want to take our smasher and just start smashing. Just like as if you're doing some rustic potatoes. All right, cool. That's pretty much it. So from here, there's people that put flour. There's people that, you could pretty much put anything the way you want to do it, okay? I'm gonna drizzle this up a little bit with about a couple tablespoons of diced onion, a couple tablespoons of some jalapeno, and a little bit of salt. The reason why I say a little bit is because we're gonna get a lot of the flavor from the salsa macha at the end. And also when I boiled it with some salt water. So make sure you're careful on how much you put. Couple pinches of black pepper. And now do the same thing. Mix it up. All right, cool. Oh, bro, you know what I forgot?
Really? You were doing so good for a while.
I got it. It's inside. I gotta go get it. Garlic powder. All right, so I'm gonna make my brother happy with this one. You never see me using this. Here, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder.
There's always a first for something, huh?
Yeah, you probably won't see me do that again. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mash it up again. Beautiful, delicious. These are real Mexican tacos, guys. Jack in the Box just, I don't know, used to be my friend, but now it's just whatever.
Jack in the Box Americanized. They're just like Taco Bell Americanized tacos.
Yeah, and Jack in the Box tacos has soy in there. It's not meat or it's soy. Soy. I think that's what disappointed me even more.
It's amazing though, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, taste this first and then we'll talk.
You're not doing it with meat. So how is it compared?
Well, you could. It's cool. Oh, trust me. We'll see a reaction at the end. All right. So now oil's warming up. We're gonna warm up these tortillas. Okay. Now with these tortillas, the reason why I like them, try to find the thinnest tortilla you can find, okay? And the reason why is the crunch, the crisp, it's absolutely phenomenal. If you can't find it, use the regular ones. That's no problem at all. What I'm going to do is take this, warm them up in the microwave so they're kind of more flexible and we can fold it and start frying. Make sure you stick around. All right, so we warmed up the tortillas. Let's get started. Now, hot. Take a scoop, put it in. Now be careful, you don't want to put too much. If you put too much, you're gonna have some problems. So we want to make them just like that. You see? Beautiful. Now, I'm gonna make a couple and put them to the side. And then we go in. Hold it for a second, let the shell harden up a little bit. The tortilla actually harden up a little bit, and then slowly lay it down. All right, so we want this to be a nice little golden brown. Remember, the potatoes are already cooked. So all we're trying to do is crisp it up a little bit so you get that nice, beautiful crunch.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wow. I was making notes in my back.
Oh, bro, this is, you're never gonna go to that place again. You're gonna have your wife make you more of these.
Okay.
Look at that, beautiful. All right, so these are ready to go. Let's go ahead and take them out. I'm gonna put it on this rack right over here. Let all the oil come out. Beautiful.
Okay, ready?
Well, no, let it cool off. You want to touch it when it's hot?
No, I think you do.
All right, so tacos have cooled down. I'm going to make you a taco, bro.
Okay, good.
All right, so what we're going to do is open it up just a little bit. Put in your lettuce. Yeah, and they crack. It's normal. Some onions. It's going to be full, so. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of cilantro. Man, the taco's hot, bro. Some Mexican cream that goes on top. And the kicker.
Hey, let me put the sauce on whenever I'm about to
Dude,
eat.
what are you, chicken, bro?
No, I'm saying because.
All right, here, go. You put it on.
No, just fix yours up.
Oh, wait, I forgot to add this. Some Mexican queso fresco. All right, now the secret ingredient, which is salsa macha. Ooh.
Salsa Macha?
Yeah, chile aceite.
Aceite.
Yeah, come on, bro. Ooh, you're gonna cough on that one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Tacos Dorado con papa. Bro, how good is that? I'm not even talking. Damn, look at your mouth. It's like you stuck your whole face in that taco, bro. Huh?
You got a napkin?
Nope. I'm still eating. Bear with us.
We'll be right back. Can you make me another one? Wow, so good.
I'm telling you,
All
bro.
the flavors. Oh. That potato's burning though.
Yeah. It's called hot potato.
It is hot potato. Dude, that was so good.
Seriously, huh?
Yeah. We're definitely going to make a whole bunch more after this. That was so good. All right. There you have it, huh? Tacos El Dorado, what's it called?
Not El Dorado. It's not a Cadillac. Cadillac El Dorado.
Tacos del... What? I wish I
Dorado, which means fried, like crispy. Tacos, crispy
Dorado,
tacos.
Something papa.
Yeah, con papa with potato. You could definitely use shredded beef, chicken, leftover chicken. You just put it in there. Same idea, same concept.
Very good.
Awesome.
Yes, so worth it.
Can I make more?
Well, let's finish the episode. We'll definitely make more.
Well, there you have it, folks. Tacos Dorado, screw jack in the box. Make your own tacos at home. It's absolutely delicious and it's well worth it. And you see, it's very, very simple to do. And until next time, thank you for joining us. And all new subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And we'll see you on the next one.
Should be all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that myself. We should do like a V-neck version.
Hello, hello.